everybody, I hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video, I am so excited to be coming at you with this video because we have got a very exciting unboxing and I cannot wait to share it with you. So usually, if you guys didn't know, I do unbox and upload the LUSH kitchen subscription boxes every single month. This is the shower box. I do the shower one mainly because I just find with the bath box, I just can't get through all the bath bombs. I'm more of a shower gal, so I go for the shower. Anyway, that is neither here nor there, but recently, over the past few months, LUSH have been so generous, and they have in fact sent me the extra large box, which looks like this. So this includes every single product from the shower and the bath range. I am so excited. So I thought, similarly to last month, I am gonna unbox both boxes in this video and share with you guys what you could get in the shower and the extra large boxes. Does that make sense? Basically, we've got a big giant unboxing, which I'm very excited about. I cannot wait to dive in. These have been sat in my room for probably about 3 days now, and I need to just open them up. I am so excited. So without further ado, we are gonna dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So firstly, we are going to dive right in to the shower box, and then we're going to do the extra large just to see what extra goodies we got in there. So let's unbox this one first. Every single time, honestly, I never open it in one go. Every time it goes wrong. Ooh. Okay, this looks like a bit of me, so let me just pull it out so I can show you guys. So this is what the box looks like. It's definitely giving fruity, fresh, tropical. I love a good fruity fragrance. It's definitely something that's up my street, and I cannot wait to see what's inside this box. So let's do the grand reveal together. Hopefully I don't spill anything on the floor, because I feel like I will do that every single time. Okay, let's see what we have. I feel like that was very anticlimactic because you guys can't see anything, but let's open it anyway. Oh my goodness, there is something in here that I am so excited about. We're gonna have to open it first. I can't wait. Oh my goodness, I am so no, stop. I am so excited. Okay, the first item, and probably the most exciting thing in this box, we have got the watermelon sugar body scrub. Because there was a lip scrub that was watermelon sugar and I absolutely loved it. I love a good watermelon flavour. This is screaming at me. So this one says, nothing screams, I literally just said screaming, that's so funny. Nothing screams, it's summer, quite like a big juicy slice of watermelon. Well, except perhaps this mouth-watering watermelon scented scrub. Oh my goodness. Ingredients wise, we have got caster sugar, we have also got cocoa butter, coconut oil, we have got almond oil, watermelon seed oil, rose oil, bergamot oil. I have to open it. But before I do, actually have a look at the packaging. This is absolutely beautiful. And not only is it stunning, we also have what looks like watermelon seeds on the inside of the packaging, which is so adorable. I absolutely love that. And this is what it looks like on the top. Okay, let's smell it because I need to see what this smells like instantly. I can't. Hang on. I need to prepare myself. I feel like I'm gonna I just smelt that. I'm not joking. That, okay, I'm gonna say this lightly, okay? That is the best body scrub I've ever smelled in my life. That's insane. It smells, honestly, I want to eat that. Is it edible? Can I eat it? I don't know. I seriously can't stop smelling it. That's phenomenal. That, I'm salivating. I am obsessed. Oh, it's very soft actually. It's a very soft scrub. Oh, it's insane. This is what it looks like, and you've got those seeds kind of running all the way through it. I'm obsessed. I'm literally dribbling, like I can't. That is incredible and such a big part of it. I'm so excited about that. Okay, the next thing, ooh, okay, this is very different. Why is that so cute? Okay, we have got a little key ring with grapes on it. How cute is that? I absolutely love it when LUSH put things like this in the boxes. It just makes it feel so much more special and like, I don't know, like one of a kind kind of thing. This is really sweet. I absolutely love that. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm putting that on my handbag. That is adorable. The next item we have is something super exciting. So this is the Zesty body lotion, and this one says, wake up your senses, bursts of tart lime leap off the skin whilst cheerful neroli oil shakes off the cobwebs. I feel like I have had a zesty, was it a shower gel or something ages ago? I'm going to read the ingredients as well. So this one has inside, we've got cocoa butter, almond oil. We've also got grapeseed oil. We have got jojoba oil, aloe gel, lime oil, neroli oil, bergamot oil, lemon oil, basically loads of beautiful citrusy oils and things, which I'm very excited about. Ooh, wait. Someone please tell me, and I feel like as a Lush person, like I should know this, but is that the same as Collis? Is Zesty and Collis the same smell? Because it's giving Collis. Also, the colour of it is insane. Look at that. It's so vibrant. I love that. I'm going to just try some. See what the texture... Ooh, I like that texture a lot. It kind of melts into the skin really quickly, which is nice. And it's not like super oily either. Like it definitely leaves a moisturised... Oh, actually, is it? It is kind of feeling a little bit oily, but kind of enough to soak in like after a shower, you know? That is definitely Collis. I am set on it. That is delicious. Yum, 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 yum. I absolutely love that. I'm salivating also. This whole box is giving me like mouth-watering vibes. So I'm obsessed with that. Okay, the next item we have is something I am very excited about because we have a shampoo bar. If you guys don't know, I am a big shampoo bar advocate. I have used Lush shampoo bars for so long. Ryan uses them. I think his brother even uses them. Like I am very shampoo bar pro. You know what I mean? I'm a big fan. So this one is the Mango Exuberance. Don't know how to pronounce that. And this has got things like lemongrass, we've got lemon oil, we have also got pineapple powder, we've got lime oil, we have got, well, I don't even know what that is. Oh, that's lemon. See, it's confusing. I feel like they've started putting the ingredients in like a different language. Unless that is just me, I am struggling to read some of these words, I'm not gonna lie. But let's give it a smell. Oh, okay. Not gonna lie. Smells like, is it Avobath? Smells kind of like Avobath. It's really nice though. It's very, very fresh. I feel like if you have more oilier hair types or you want that kind of shine, this is going to be a really good one for that. Just because of all the lemon. Oh, that went up my nose. Oh, that's delish. I feel like I could eat that, you know. Oh, I can't stop smelling it. That's so good. Oh my goodness. I love a good shampoo bar. Very excited about that. Okay, the next item, I am not gonna lie, has melted a wee bit in this box, but can we blame it because it was 32 degrees last week? Also, I am so glad it is not currently 32 degrees because when I was filming my video last week or whenever it was, when this goes up, I can't remember, but I filmed a video where I did, I think it was my wrap up or something. I was melting, like absolutely like dripping, melting. Now I can breathe. Very thankful for it. Anyway, the next item we have got is the Miranda soap. This one we used to have when I worked there. It was more of a orange colour. This one is more of like a kind of greenish brown. I don't know whether it's kind of reacted in the heat or something though, because in the picture it also does look kind of like yellowy orange, so I'm not really sure, but I feel like it's going to smell exactly the same anyway. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like rapeseed oil, coconut oil, bergamot oil, like I nearly stumbled then. Ylang ylang oil. We have got gardenia extract, lemon oil. We have got juniper berry oil. We have got kiwi. That's interesting. Oh, it's so good though. It's like the classic magical moringa smell. Not magical moringa. Oh my goodness, Miranda soap smell. Why was I saying magical moringa? Oh, it is absolutely delish. It kind of smells like... I don't really know how to describe it. My goodness. It's fruity, obviously, but it's kind of like tutti fruity-ish. It's got a really good mix of smells. It smells delicious though, but yeah, this is what it looks like. A really lovely chunk of it. And I'm definitely more into soaps when they're this shape. So much easier to use, but that's delicious. Yummy, yum. I have soap all over my hands now though, so that's no good. And last but definitely not least in this box, we have got this, which that is so fun. Oh my goodness. This is the pineapple chunk shower gummy, which I'm a very big fan of, like the little gummies, the face washes. I really do enjoy the texture a lot, but this is so fun. So this one has things like Davana oil, we've also got orange oil, we've got tonka seed extract, we've got coconut extract, we have also got pineapple juice. I was going to say there must be some sort of pineapple element in this just because it is obviously a pineapple. I need to open this and smell it immediately, so we're just gonna see what it smells like. I feel like this is going to be a little bit moist, but shut up, you're lying. That smell is insane. It is giving pineapple. It's kind of like, and this is going to be so Rogan specific. Do you remember, if you're in the UK and you're around 30, you'll remember these sweets. However, if you're not in the UK, you might not have had them, so I'm so sorry. But we used to have these little sweets and they were like candy sticks and they were white and they would come in like a little like matchbox kind of thing. Smells exactly like that, but with like a hint of pineapple, like a subtle hint. That is delish though. I could eat that. I won't. I absolutely could though. That is delicious. Okay, so now it is time for the big box, which I'm always so excited. Again, I can never pull it the right way, honestly. Let's try that again. I live for the big box and I am tempted to upgrade my box to the big box because honestly, I feel really gutted when I miss out on some of the bath stuff. It looks even better big. Look at the size of this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, let's try and get this out in one piece. So this is what the extra large box looks like. Very similar to the small one, but just big, of course. So let's open it up and see what we have. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm very excited about this one. This smells insane, by the way. It's so orangey. It's giving like bright side. I'm obsessed. So let's do again a quick rundown of what we have inside. I'm just going to whiz through the ones we have so far. So the first item, of course, we have is the watermelon sugar body scrub, which I am obsessed with. I cannot wait to give this a try. Then we have the zesty body lotion. This one, again, I am absolutely in love with. And I'm pretty sure, like 99.9% sure, this is Collis scented. Please someone let me know down below because it is going to keep me up at night, truly. So let me know if that is right. We also again have the absolutely adorable keyring. I think they should do these in every box. I truly think they would be such a nice addition and I love a good keyring. Of course, we have another one of the mango hair shampoo bars. Again, I am a massive shampoo bar fan. It smells insane. I feel like this would be a really good one for, again, shine, a little bit more of an oilier hair type. It's delicious, honestly. We then have another piece of the Miranda soap. Again, I am a massive fan of the Miranda soap, and this one, oh, it's so good. It's so sweet. Oh, yum. We then have another pineapple chunk shower gummy. I am very intrigued to give this one a go because I'm a massive fan of the shower jellies, but they are impossible to keep hold of in the shower. So I feel like this is going to give like best of both worlds, which I'm excited to try. And now moving on to the two items in this box, which you wouldn't have got in the shower box. So firstly, we have, oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing. How adorable is that? That is so cute. I need to smell it. It's like bright side but stronger. That is delicious. Okay, so this is the Orange Burst Bath Bomb. And in terms of ingredients, we have got tangerine oil, orange oil, we've got orange peel powder and bergamot oil. It is very like bright sidey, but it's so mouth-wateringly like sharp. Does that make sense? Like very orangey, of course, but that, insane. A little bit sad because it's kind of half a bath bomb though, but I feel like you wouldn't get that design on a round bath bomb, but that is delicious. Oh, I can't get enough. That is so good. And the last item we have in the extra large box is... You're telling me that is not the cutest bubble bar you have ever seen. So this is the grape soda bubble bar. I am beyond excited to smell this right now because anything like synthetically grape smelling, like an American grape smell, I am all over. Like I feel like I'm going to start like dribbling all over the place. Oh, it's so good. That is insane. That is spot on. Oh my god, it's so delish. Have we had something in this smell before? It is giving deja vu. That's unreal though. Ingredients wise in this one, we've got orange oil, we have got juniper berry oil, we've got cream of tartar, we've got gardenia extract, we have also got, I think that's it, unreal. That is phenomenal, and I'm sorry, but look at how sweet that is. I love it. Sorry if you can hear any motorbikes, by the way, very inconvenient. Oh my god, I can't cope. Oh, that's insane. Oh my god, I can't stop smelling it. Okay. So those are all of the items in the Lush June kitchen boxes for the shower box, and of course the extra large, which was ever so kindly gifted to me from Lush, and I am just so incredibly grateful and thankful. I say it every single time, but Lush, you guys are incredible. I'm so grateful for you. You honestly make my day, and I feel so lucky that you guys even think to send me anything, so thank you so much. And to any of you guys watching, thank you so much for being here and watching and subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up, because honestly, I wouldn't be getting these things without you, and it truly just makes me feel so special, and I feel very lucky. So thank you guys so much for being here. I am obsessed, to say the least. Like, I love a good fruity scent. These boxes are a bit of me. 10 out of 10, absolutely obsessed. That scrub, I want to swallow it. Like, I actually want to consume it. It is that delicious, and I'm very excited to use it. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. And also, if you guys weren't aware, I do have a LUSH affiliate link, which is always down below. If you guys ever place an order, I would absolutely appreciate it so much if you guys were to use my link. It does give me a tiny commission, but it does help me out a lot as well. So if you guys haven't used it, I would really appreciate it. But that is going to be everything for today's video. I am so happy you're here. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye guys.